How to hide likes on X Twitter. Now, while X doesn't offer a direct option to completely hide your likes from everyone, there are a couple of workarounds that can provide a similar level of privacy. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the X app on your phone. Check the App Store for any updates and hit that update button if needed. Once your app is up to date, open it up and log into your X account. Just enter your username and password like you usually do. Look at the little picture of yourself at the top left. Tap on it. It's your gateway to all the settings. Now, scroll down a bit until you spot Settings and Support and give it a tap. Within the Settings menu, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that. It's where the magic happens. From the options, select Privacy and Safety. It's the place where you control who sees what. Under your X activity, tap on Audience and Tagging. It's where the real action starts. Now, here's the key step. Find the switch labeled Protect Your Posts and flip it on. This is what makes your account private. That's it. Your account is now private, meaning only the people you approve can see your likes and other activity. And there you have it. That's how you can hide likes on X Twitter by making your account private. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more useful tips like this one. Don't forget to click on that notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.